How to fix Wi-Fi adapter not working on Windows 11 and Windows 10? If your Wi-Fi not working properly and adapter not working properly, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key. From the left side, go to network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and here click on advanced network settings. Here go to network reset and choose reset now. Sometimes resetting network settings will fix this issue. If your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings and under system settings click on troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here click on other troubleshooters and run the network and internet troubleshooters. Click on run button and follow on screen instruction to complete the network and internet troubleshooting. Some workaround you will find here: restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, restart your modem, restart your PC, and need more help. As per your choice, choose any one of them and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And check whether your problem is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open device manager in your system and here go to network adapter sections, expand it and right click on your network adapters driver and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers, click on it and the base driver for your device as already installed will message you receive. The next workaround is again go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and in run command box type services.msc to open Windows services in your system. And in services windows from the right side look for WWAN auto config option. And if you found it stop, then start it. Otherwise, if you found already a start mode, then restart it and choose a startup type as automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your network adapter not working error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key again. And in run command box type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor on your system. And from the left side of menu options under user configuration expand administrative templates and then select start menu and taskbar. Then go to right side and here choose remove network from start icon. Remove network connection from a start menu, select it, apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that this feature is disabled. So make the check against option disabled and press apply and OK from the bottom of the page to save the changes. That's all.